Hi guys, I hope you're doing well, because I'm doing great, because it's the end of exams, and it's nearly Christmas, yay! And there is over 100 of you guys now, which is insane. Like, I realise in this modern day and age of YouTube, where no one really cares unless you've got like 10k, and then people might start noticing. But this is important to me. I mean, oh god, I'm so 2009. I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm just doing kind of a little update video because I don't know if I'll have, that much time in, the next few days, because I'll be going to visit my nan, and I know it's wild. But it's always quite busy around that time of year, so I don't know if I'll have, the time to do videos. I mean, it's not like I upload regularly anyway, but that's not what we're here to talk about. Anyway, this is not nearly festive enough for this situation, so let us rectify that. Much better. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Anyway, I just realised, of course, today I haven't had my Advents chocolate yet, so I thought I would do that. Because apparently I am in fact a 5-year-old child. So today is the 14th, so I'm gonna find that on here somewhere. Don't ask me why I'm so bad at finding these. These are designed for children. Why am I incapable? There it is. I'm an idiot. And today's is a teddy bear with a present. How cute. Tastes like my hopes and dreams. Anyway, I'm going to continue this bit with a full mouth. How rude of me. Anyway, so we haven't had any snow yet, unfortunately. But then again, Germany, not really snow capital of the world, so not really that surprising. However, I do have some fake snow with which I'm going to be sharing the magic with you guys. Although I must say, I don't really understand the science behind it.